Is there a correct way to clean a toilet? Yes, there is. And it involves more than the toilet brush and some blue liquid. So stop cleaning your toilet the wrong way and follow these 5 quick steps to both clean and disinfect the toilet the right way. Hi, I'm Juliana. I'm a cleaning specialist and a professional cleaning business owner, and I'm happy to pass along what I've learned as a pro cleaner. If you'd like to see more videos about all things cleaning, subscribe and like now because I'm just getting started on this channel. Stay until the end of the video where I'll also tell you how to eliminate that ring in the toilet bowl. Okay, let's get started. You only need a few things to get this job done right. So here we go. You'll need a toilet cleaner like the one I have here, and you'll also need gloves, paper towels, a designated toilet brush, and a disinfecting spray. That's the important one, so stop right there for a sec. This is where many people, even pro cleaners, tend to go wrong by not using a disinfectant. I chose to use Clorox Disinfecting Multi Surface Cleaner here, and this is good stuff, friend. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, and it's safe to use on mostly any surface. It's aerosol free and it's also bleach free. It disinfects hard surfaces plus sanitizes soft surfaces as well. This or a similar product is what you should be using every time you clean your toilet and the surrounding areas, by the way. Back to the actual steps for getting this done. Step 1. Apply toilet cleaning gel to the inside of the toilet bowl. Start by closing the lid, flushing the toilet, and then just move everything off of and from around the toilet. Apply the bowl cleaner on the upper rim and coat it well. Then allow that just to sit and do its job. Step 2. Dust off the toilet. Do this first, it's important. This is key, so just use either a paper towel or a designated Swiffer, but make sure to toss it out when you're finished. Next, close the lid, grab your disinfecting spray cleaner, and starting from the top of the tank, spray the whole toilet down to the floor and spray it liberally. Spray it in this order so you don't miss any part of it. Spray the top of the tank, the front, and then behind the lid, where it meets the rim of the bowl, where those bolts are, spray that well. Also, spray the whole back of the lid, lift it, spray the underneath of the lid, then the top of the seat, lift, and do the same to the underside. Then spray down the rim and the sides of the bowl itself to the area to the right and to the left of your toilet on the floor. And last, do right in front of the bowl on the floor. Now, this is especially important if there may be boys or men in your home. Spray that area well. You know what I mean if you're in that situation. Step 3, let's get that bowl clean. Head back over to the bowl and give it a good scrub like I'm doing here. I'm using a silicone scrub brush, and honestly, I haven't decided if I think they work as well as the traditional nylon bristled brushes, but they are simple to disinfect. That's a plus. I'm just really not sure what to think of them, but I digress. Okay, next, just close the lid and the seat onto that toilet brush so it's sitting horizontally. It'll just hold it in place. Now, flush the toilet. Here's a pro tip. If you have a ring on the inside of your toilet bowl that you cannot seem to scrub off, and this happens often, especially in areas where there's what we call hard water, which just means your water has a high mineral content. Well, that ring can seem impossible to remove, but there is an easy solution. And guess what? It's fast, chemical free. It's a cleaning pumice stone, just like the ones they use on your feet during a pedicure, only don't do that. Only it's made specifically for cleaning. Get yourself a pumice stone that's made for cleaning, wet it, scrub it, that ring away, and in less than 1 minute, friend, I promise you, this works like magic. That ring will be gone. After you use it in the toilet, of course, just make sure that you toss it. All right, go back to the cleaning. Step 4. Grab your paper towels and wipe everything clean, starting at the top all the way down to the floor. You want to wipe it all down in the same order that you sprayed it down. It's important. Listen up here for just a sec. Because I'm using a sanitizing spray, I'll need to provide it with the required amount of dwell time to do its job. And each one of the sprays requires a unique amount of time, so you want to read the back. The Clorox I'm using here says it needs 5 minutes to disinfect. And I don't leave it on for a full 5 minutes in the video because I needed to clean it as well. However, When it's all cleaned, I return to the toilet and spray it down and just let it air dry. By the way, that's the cool thing about this product. You can use it like you'd use Lysol disinfecting spray. You just spray it and you let it dry. There's no need to wipe it off. Step 5, the home stretch. Wipe, clean, and dry the surrounding floor area by hand. It's important to do this by hand because you can't accurately clean there with a mop. There's just too many awkward and tight spaces back there. So you should be cleaning that area by hand every time. When I mop, by the way, I also will mop that area, but I already know that it's clean. And that's it. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Juliana.